Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the two most important links, wrists and shoulders. Work 5-10 seconds of wall-supported handstands to feel alignment because proper stacking prevents collapses. Once done, add 3 sets of plank shoulder taps and 8 negative push-ups to build the pressing control you'll need. Next, practice half handstand kick-ups gently against a wall so you learn balance without falling. This teaches how weight shifts over your hands and trains your shoulders to stay. Once you're comfortable holding weight on your hands, start small hand shifts. Take 5-8 tiny steps while your back touches the wall so you feel the palm-to-finger pressure change. Then progress to a low-height support like a bench where you face away and step one hand forward and one back. Perform 4-6 reps per side to groove the pattern. Make sure to keep your core braced and gaze between your hands. This stabilizes the spine and helps you coordinate breathing with each step. Now attempt short free hand walks of 2-4 steps on grass or mats because controlled failures teach balance without injury. Perform 5-10 walks total, keeping each attempt deliberate and resting 60-90 seconds so fatigue doesn't wreck your form. If you fall forward, tuck your chin and roll to protect the neck. If your shoulders collapse, return to wall-supported holds and rebuild pressing strength. Make sure to increment distance slowly. Consistency beats maximal attempts when learning a new skill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.